Hello traders, how's the going? This is Ed. Welcome to my live today. Share the live, guys. Let's go. So this is gold. We want to check what gold is really doing because I think possibly right now gold can really give us a trade. For those who are with me today on TikTok live, we were able to initiate some trade on gold, and it was really a nice one. It was really a nice one. So let's see what will really happen. So you can share the live, guys, so that we'll be able to capture. The rest can also be able to capture what's really going on here. So let's start by doing some brief analysis of what I'm thinking. So looking at this market here, this is gold checking on XAU USD. One of the things, let's start with something like, okay, weekly time frame is not a must for us as such, because I think for those of you who have been following me here, possibly what gold is doing on the weekly perspective. I'm expecting this week to be bearish, okay? I'm expecting this week to be bearish, but today is on 29th of July, okay? On Monday. So I'm expecting something like a manipulation of this day, it can be whatever it is, but there's a manipulation I'm expecting maybe to the upside before maybe we continue with the bearish impression, something of that sort. So after doing analysis here today, one thing that I've noted right now, because now we are on the New York session, I've noted that this market has really been expanding to the upside. Yesterday, we did analysis and we realized that this market is bearish even in terms of structure. The market is currently on this mitigation zone here, Above this zone, we have some fair value gap here, okay? There's fair value gap on top of this zone here. Yeah, we have a fair, you can see that this trend line is passing around these zones here, okay? So I'm expecting at least the market to come to this zone, okay? I talked about it in detail from monthly, weekly, daily, blah, 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 and why that kind of a thing can happen. Even today, I was expecting at least the market to bounce off that zone and push up, push down. He did it, but now the impression I'm seeing now during the New York session, you can see that we had something like a bullish, not like we had a bullish engulfing candle, this strong green candle here, okay? And then we also have this structure here, this channel here, looking like a flag, okay? You see? And then we have, when we go something like 15 minutes time frame, we can see that I like using like, we had a fair value gap at this level, okay? So what I'm expecting the market to do something like this, okay? But we are going to look at setup. This is the zone that possibly I can enter by. Then I'm waiting for the market to come up. So the question is, let me remove this guy here. So the question is, if that's the case, then where are we going possibly, okay? So after bouncing off this level, then we can look at some liquidity points, okay? The first TP will be around this high, because at this level here, let me just draw a line, okay? Let me draw a line. I can see Samuel on the chat is saying, what's gold doing? Okay, right now, so okay, don't worry, that's what we are doing now, don't worry. So we can see on top here, okay, the liquidity already have been taken here. Here we have a relative equal highs at this level, so we can target here. And even this high that is forming, I'm expecting this market to come down to this level, okay? If it does not do that, then maybe I might not be so much happy, I want that to happen. Then the second TP we are going to take here, okay? The first TP will be around this level, okay? The second TP, the first TP here, the second TP here. So let me just mark them. This will be our first TP. The second TP is around this relative equal high. I'm not placing a stream to the top due to things to do with spread and things like that. In case, okay? And then on top, extreme. Where can we go to the extreme? Yeah, we are still, I think this is the one why did even I remove that thing, okay? We had equal highs here, okay? But you can see even on the left, you can see there's some kinks we have here on top, something like around this level, you can see we have a resistance that time to be support. So around this zone also we can place our another TP point is here, which means this will be the extreme point, okay? Also, we might target the lower part of it so that to check on issues to do with the spread. So the last TP can be here, okay? So what I'm expecting right now, I'm expecting this market to come to this zone here. Okay, I'm expecting to come to 23.89. Okay, I'm expecting the market to come to 23.89 and then we move. Bahuni is saying, are we still in consolidation? I think possibly it is now. It will possibly start breaking out of that consolidation, and that's what we are looking for right now. Okay, so we expect the market to come. If it does not come this level, for sure, for me, I don't think if I will get into it for sure. It has to come to this level here, and then we buy it. And then at this level also, we have to see some reaction. Okay, we want to see something like a reaction around this level, then we trigger an entry. So guys, if you're around, just like the live, tap that like button, like the live. If you have not subscribed and you're around, just ensure you subscribe so that every time I come, it's not a must for me to come maybe on TikTok to inform you, you just come around, so you just ensure you subscribe. So let's see. So now that's what we are waiting for. We are waiting for the price to retest. We are waiting for the price to retest. Let me place it well. The price to retest this zone. Those green candles you're seeing are going up. They can then take your stop loss. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. So it has to do something like this. Okay. When it comes to this level, this is the moment it comes here and start giving us a reaction. Okay. That's when I will start placing that TP, SL, whatever. But right now, what can I call it? Order. Okay. I'd place some buy limit around that zone, some portion. Okay. And then I'll see maybe how to add up as the price continue and bounces off some levels, Yeah, so let's see whether we will be able to make something here. Let me know in the chats what you guys are thinking. Are you ready, guys, for the trade? In case you have any question, any clarification, just let me know in the chat. So I help you, maybe to answer it, whatever it is, okay? To clarify or whatever. So let's wait and see what the market gonna do. What the market is gonna do. Yeah, you can see now it is responding, coming to our level. Are you able to see even the candles well? I doubt. Let me just zoom it. I think you cannot see the candles well. Let me just zoom it briefly. Just want to zoom in so that you'll be able to see the candle well. I believe by doing this, possibly you're able to see the chart well. Yeah, I was just thinking maybe you're not seeing things clearly. So I hope maybe from that point, you're able to see everything well. So our entry point is around 23.89. We want to see how the price is going to behave there. Then we get in. There's something like we have a 15-minute fair value gap there. That's what we're waiting for. The market to bounce off from. And then we buy. Yeah, so if you're around, ensure you tap that like button there. Just like the live. Okay, so that, okay. What happened on TikTok? No. TikTok is just okay. I just decided today to come on YouTube. I had said it in the morning. I think maybe possibly you're not around. But we were supposed to, our evening session was supposed to be on YouTube. Okay. Nguyen is saying, so we wait, come to 23.89. Exactly. Yeah, that's what we are waiting for. We want the price to come to 23.89 and then we buy. Okay. We look for price reaction and then we buy. Yeah, so that's what we're waiting for right now. That's what we're waiting for. Let's see whether the price is gonna behave the way we want it. Then trigger, see whether we are going to trigger some entries. And today also, I think we are going also to do some review. If the market ends well, then there's a high chance that tomorrow, maybe if the market ends bullish, then tomorrow strongly, especially maybe breaking Friday stuff, then there's a possibility tomorrow also we can maybe continue the bullish. Now we'll see. But in between we can possibly, there's a zone, there's a day that possibly can initiate the sales, because I'm expecting this week to be a bit bearish on gold. So this, whatever we are doing today, is just something like possibly manipulation. A week beginning, okay? Maybe Monday, possibly we are expecting something like Monday, maybe to go to deviate to a different direction, or something of that sort, to different direction. That's what I wanted to mean, you know. So let's check gold, how gold is gonna move. Nguyen is saying, okay, thank you, welcome. Yeah, feel welcome. Yeah, now the price is coming down. Yeah, we can see the price is running to the lower side. Let it come, 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 let it come. We are waiting for it. We are waiting. Let me check Bitcoin. Oh boy. Oh, Bitcoin has really busted to the lower side. Although right now where Bitcoin is, Bitcoin can give a buy. You know, I really waited for this Bitcoin guy. Now I think it can buy now. Now, whatever it is doing, it can possibly give a buy. I'm not talking about gold. I'm talking about Bitcoin. I'm looking at it on the other chart. I'm seeing it has really busted to the lower side. I don't know how many of you maybe are watching it right now. I will just be watching how it's behave, and possibly maybe I can. If I see it is behaving well, then who knows? Maybe it can give a buy. Okay. Let me check the 4-hour time frame. What's happening on this 4-hour time frame? Time frame. And then we have this low. So you see, I can see gold. Even gold is also reacting quite nice, not bad. I believe you can see how gold is really dropping. I think the chart is giving some delay, but gold is really dropping well. Gold is really dropping well. You know, I'm wondering, let me see. So like the live, guys, like the live, tap the like button if you're around. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Someone is saying things are not clear. Is there a problem with my screen or what's popping? What's going on? Which zone has it reacted to? Has it touched our fair value gap? Boy, that guy tapped the FVG. That guy tapped the FVG. It has already tapped the FVG. It has already tapped it. It's already tapped it. So let's wait for something like a retest down. Oh boy. That was so quick. That was so quick. I don't know how many of you are noted that, but I think it has tested that. It has tested that zone. Let's wait for some retracement down. It has touched our zone, so buy is valid now. Let's wait briefly and then we see how we are getting in. Let's wait and see how things are going to go. Let's wait and see how this current candle is going to end. I can see it tested it. It was so fast, you know. It just tested it, boom, then can you see how it ran? Very powerful point. You can see. Now this is live. You can see how these things are doing. Can you see? To the peep, then running up to the upside. So we are waiting. Especially, I'm also even tracking the 1 minute candle. I just want to see how the 1 minute candle is behaving at that zone, you know. Because I didn't note that, but it's really strange that it tipped it to the tip. You see, you can see what really happened. Guys, can you see what has happened? It tapped it very strange and very fast to the upside. So let's track. We are tracking the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, that one really ended well. Let's now also check what's happening with the current 3 minute candle. Okay, we just want to confirm that is the price really doing something. That's at that zone. Then we know whether we are going to get in there. And the price really ran so fast there. Boom, boom, boom. You know, I was not even sure whether it has tested that. Let me just prepare another order. You know, I had placed another order. It has not even touched that order. Let me delete it. Let me delete this order. And then, let me wait first for the 3 minute candle. I just want to see how the next one will end. If even the 3 minute candle also leaves something there as a FVG, then that will really be cool, you know. Let me check, modify order. So let's wait. Now we are waiting for the current 3 minute candle. We want to see how it's going to end, you know. Okay. That's 1.23. So let's watch whether that 3 minute candle is going to close in or do what. Let's just monitor it. Let me just leave the other orders on. Just want to see what's gonna happen, you know. That's a very nice reaction, but we want to see. I don't want the 3 minute candle to close in. If it closes in, then that will not be a good idea. But if it does not, we are getting in there, you know. Okay, we'll be getting in just like that. How many are ready, guys? How many are ready? Is your account ready? Are you ready to place the trade? Are you ready for the trade? Are you ready, guys, for the trade? Hey, it was really fast. I don't know who noted that. Boom, with a week, and then now that one has to show you that those zones are marking a very powerful. Just check also what happened on TikTok to the pip yesterday on Bitcoin to the pip. So those things are really showing you that those zones are not just, you see? Bahuni Africa is saying today is not Blue Monday on gold. Uh-huh. Okay. Let's see what popping. Okay, Bridget is saying yes, we are ready. How many are ready, guys? How many are ready? How many are ready? Let's go. Oh, I've remembered. Let me just show my my TikTokers what's going on. No, they. I think right now they don't know what's happening with the. Sorry, they don't know that we are on YouTube. Maybe some of them. Let me just show them. Guys, that's beautiful. If it ends that way, let me just see what to do. Mm-hmm. It will force me now to delete the current order. So we'll be using this FVG here. We'll be using this 3-minute FVG. Let me just show my TikTokers here that we are live on YouTube. They don't know. Oh, I don't want it to close that. If it closed that FVG, then we are in danger. I don't want it to close that FVG. Yeah, guys, we are good. Guys, we are good. You can open order. You can buy gold now. You can start opening some orders on buy on gold. Damn, what have I done? Oh boy. Let me see. I think I confused something. Let me go back to. You can start placing some buy orders. Stop loss is supposed to be extreme to the low. Let me copy. Then let me go here, add. Supposed to be. Dang, what's up with this guy? 86. 6.768. So you can start buying, guys. You can start buying. How many are already in? Who is in the market? Who is in the market? Traders, let me know. How many people are in? How many people are in that buy? How many have triggered a buy?